In a world where content is king, hitting the subscribe button is supposed to be the ultimate seal of approval. But if you're like many creators, the number of subscribers you're gaining isn't always as high as it should be. If you've ever found yourself wondering why viewers are watching your videos but not hitting that magical subscribe button, you're not alone. This video will dive deep into why nobody hits subscribe, examine some real-world examples of creators in the same boat, and provide you with actionable insights to turn your audience into loyal subscribers. Stay with us. The solution may be simpler than you think. The mystery: why aren't they subscribing? You've poured hours, days, and sometimes weeks into creating content. You've optimized your thumbnails, refined your video descriptions, and even analyzed trends to make sure your content is hitting the mark. Despite all your hard work, the subscribe button remains a barren wasteland. Here's the thing: it's not you, it's the psychology of your audience. Number 1, viewers don't understand the value. In an age where videos are abundant, viewers are increasingly desensitized. A person may watch your video, enjoy it, and move on, but they still may not see the benefit of subscribing. After all, what's in it for them? Real-life example: think about MrBeast, a YouTube sensation. It wasn't just his crazy stunts or his incredible generosity that skyrocketed his channel to millions of subscribers. He's built an empire by focusing on making viewers feel like they are gaining something by subscribing. Each new video is framed as a part of an ongoing series, creating a promise to the viewer: if you subscribe, you'll never miss the next wild challenge. The fix: create a clear value proposition. Tell your viewers up front why subscribing will benefit them. Whether it's exclusive content, more videos on a topic they're interested in, or simply being part of a growing community, make it clear why that subscribe button is worth their click. Number 2, overwhelm and choice paralysis. The internet is flooded with content. Viewers are inundated with thousands of options each day. You're competing for their attention, and there's simply too much noise. When faced with too many choices, people often freeze or abandon the decision altogether. Real-life example. Let's talk about Netflix. If you've ever spent hours scrolling through movies without choosing anything, you know what choice paralysis feels like. With so much to choose from, even the most eager viewer can end up scrolling endlessly without making a decision. Similarly, on YouTube, when viewers are presented with an overwhelming selection of content, subscribing can seem like an extra mental commitment, one they might not be willing to make at that moment. The fix: narrow your niche and create consistency in your content. Don't just churn out random videos. Focus on delivering one message or concept that resonates with a specific group. If you can promise consistency and relevance, you'll ease their decision-making process. Number 3, fear of commitment. Hitting a subscription can be seen as a commitment. For some viewers, it's not just about adding you to their feed. Subscribing means you now have a presence in their lives. What if they're not ready for that commitment? Real-life example: many people hesitate to subscribe to tutorial-based channels or review channels because they don't want their feed cluttered with content they might not need. It's the equivalent of accepting a friend request on social media and they aren't ready to make that choice. The fix: ease their fear of commitment. One way to do this is by reminding them that subscribing is free and they can unsubscribe at any time. Build trust with your audience by providing valuable content over time without overwhelming them with irrelevant uploads. Consider using terms like no spam, just high-quality content to alleviate fears. Number 4, lack of call to action. This may seem obvious, but it's surprising how many content creators forget to explicitly ask for a subscription. Often, viewers will enjoy the content but need a gentle reminder that subscribing is easy, beneficial, and free. Real-life example: on Instagram and YouTube alike, some of the most successful influencers don't leave room for ambiguity. Creators like Casey Neistat and Marcus Brownlee are known for incorporating direct calls to action CTAs like, "If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button," with enthusiasm and timing. It's not a mere suggestion. It's an imperative part of their engagement strategy. The fix: integrate strong, compelling CTAs into your videos. Tell viewers exactly what they should do and why it matters to them. Make it a part of the natural flow of the content rather than a half-hearted afterthought. Number 5, the battle for attention, real-world struggles. While these are some of the psychological barriers to hitting the subscribe button, creators are also fighting an algorithmic battle. YouTube, for instance, tends to reward channels that have high engagement, meaning viewers who not only watch the video but also comment, like, and subscribe. If a viewer watches your video but then leaves the platform without interacting, YouTube won't push your videos as much. Real-life example, many aspiring YouTubers struggle with the viewer drop-off rate. For instance, popular creators like Lily Singh have discussed the frustration of seeing viewers engage with content but not necessarily subscribing, particularly on viral videos. These viral hits can bring in a wave of new viewers, but they often leave without subscribing because they weren't loyal followers from the start. The fix: create a sense of urgency in your content. Use time-sensitive challenges or exclusive offers to make subscribing feel like a must. Consider including teasers at the end of your videos, like "Don't miss out on tomorrow's exclusive behind-the-scenes content," to encourage immediate subscriptions. The solution: making subscribing irresistible. If you want viewers to smash that subscribe button, you need to make it impossible for them to resist. Here's a streamlined blueprint to turn casual viewers into loyal subscribers. Clarify the value of subscribing. Ask yourself, what's in it for them? Viewers need to see subscribing as a gain, not a chore. Whether it's exclusive content, early access, or consistent updates, emphasize the perks they'll get for committing. Exclusive access. Offer content only available to subscribers, behind-the-scenes footage, early uploads, or special giveaways. Consistent value. Frame your channel as a reliable source of entertainment or information. Let viewers know they'll always find something worthwhile when they subscribe. Example: Ali Abdaal promises subscribers actionable life tips and tools for productivity. Framing his content as a must-follow resource for personal growth. Stay consistent. Consistency builds trust. When viewers know you post regularly and deliver quality every time, they're more likely to subscribe. Regular uploads. Stick to a predictable schedule, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly. Focused content. Avoid randomness. Stay on brand to appeal to a niche audience and keep them coming back. Example: PewDiePie initially built his subscriber base by sticking to gaming content. Even as he diversified, fans knew what to expect: humor, commentary, and personality. Craft better calls to action CTAs. Don't just ask for subscriptions, ask with purpose. A vague "don't forget to subscribe" lacks impact, but a targeted and emotional CTA can make all the difference. Be direct and persuasive. Join 50,000 plus viewers who never miss out on tech trends. Sounds far more compelling than a generic ask. Create urgency. Use phrases like "subscribe now to catch next week's reveal" to encourage immediate action. Example: Casey Neistat nails his CTAs by making them personal, fun, and integrated naturally into his storytelling, keeping his requests relatable. Engage and build community. People subscribe when they feel connected. Interaction fosters loyalty. Respond to comments. Acknowledge your audience, making them feel heard. Include your viewers. Use shoutouts, respond to fan questions, or feature subscriber content to make them feel part of the journey. Example: Mark Rober frequently engages with his audience by incorporating viewer suggestions into his science projects, making subscribers feel like co-creators. Leverage exclusivity. Make your audience feel special by offering perks and unique experiences that only subscribers can enjoy. Subscriber perks. Create premium content or offer early access to uploads. Use contests and subscriber-only live streams to build excitement and loyalty. Example: MrBeast thrives on exclusivity by hosting subscriber-only challenges where participants can win massive prizes. Turning the tide. You're fighting a tough battle, one that involves the psychology of your viewers, the overwhelming choice of content, and the algorithmic intricacies of platforms like YouTube. But the fix is within reach. By clearly communicating the value of subscribing, creating content that resonates with a niche audience, and optimizing your calls to action, you can turn the tide. Remember, building a loyal subscriber base takes time, patience, and persistence. The next time you ask, "Why is nobody hitting subscribe?" it's not about you, it's about how you make them feel. Fix that and watch your numbers soar. So what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts.